So let's start building something. And what we are going to be building is what is called a progress bar chart. All right. A progress bar chart in the sense that once you adjust this, though I've not really completed this, but I'm going to tell you how it works. So once you input a value here, let's just say 67. Okay. There's going to be on the status bar here, either completed or in progress. And then you can also see that the fill color on this particular affected cell also changed. Like this is 9%. If you happen to change this to 70%, all right, we can see that we are almost having, oh, this is not 70%. We are having almost a filled cell. Now, this is basically what you are going to be working on. So using the knowledge of what we've practiced so far, I believe you can do something like this. All right, so let's get to this sheet. This is a sheet that we are going to be using. So let's zoom in to see how far. Now, the first thing to do, you can start formatting your cells. For example, you can work on the cell background, or you can just quickly add a style to your cell here. All right, so let's go for this. And then here we are also going to apply kind of formatting to this particular cell. All right, so we are going to apply green. You can do that by going to your format cells, then go to fill. Under the fill, would like to, first of all, before we fill it, we are not going to fill in. Let's just apply borders to it. So for the borders, we want to pick a border of green because we are going to be filling that cell with green as well. So let's just select the border style here for the line. Then for the color, let's pick this color green, and then we want to select this outline. We want to select this outline inside and outside. Okay, let's select this outline. And then the next thing to do is just click OK. And once you click OK, this is what you are going to be getting. And you can as well as, for example, we are going to convert these cells here to percent. So do this and go to numbers. And in numbers, go to percentage. All right, so let's click on, all right, so just highlight everything here. On top here, you're going to see this percent sign. So just click on percent style. So any value you're adding here will automatically have the percent sign here. Okay. Now, having achieved that, the next thing to do is to apply conditional formatting. All right, highlight the cell, then go to conditional formatting. Then let's create new rules. Create new rules. And then it says format all cells based on their values. So this is very important. Please take note. We are going to be selecting data bar. Okay. Then under the type here, click on number. Click on number. Then for the value here 0, then the maximum is going to be 1 because we are scaling the values here in that particular cell from 0 to 1. Then for the color, let's pick green here. And let's click on, this is the preview. Right, this is going to be the preview. And you can as well as pick border, solid border of which color. You can pick this color here. Click OK. So this is what happens. Right now we have 65%. Let's type 100%. So we have the whole cells completely filled. Now let's use 50% here. And we can see that it's half filled. So let's say we want to apply a status here, completed, maybe not completed, or project in progress. So we are going with 2, that is completed and in progress. So apply your use your conditional statement, the if function. So you start with equal sign, and then if the value inside here is equal to, actually if it's equal to 100%, right? If it's equal to 100%, okay. If it's equal to 100%, then it completed. Otherwise, we use in progress. Close your brackets. All right, so we have here to be 65%. So once you've done that to here, quickly drag this to the last, right? Because we have 100 here completed, we have in progress. And then in this particular case, we don't have any, there is no work hasn't started. Let's just say 0 here. So 0%, like we've not even started anything. So we can also add another parameters to this. For example, if it is C is equals to 100%, right, completed, or else if, so let's add another if conditional statement. If this cell is equal to 0%, so what are we going to give to it now? So let's say um, the value we are going to be giving to it is not started. Not started. Okay. So you're supposed to close this cells 2 times because we opened 2 different times. So we have here. So let's just drag it again. So we have here not started. We have another one here not started. We have here completed. We have also here in progress. Okay. I think we have successfully built our progress bar chart. Right. So thank you so much. If you have some questions to ask, you can kindly drop it at the conversation box and we'll get in touch with you. All right. Do have a nice day.